Katanat physics jong kakyang nang ba Government College Jowai, kalapelong ya ka program ay jihikai practical demonstration hakalay terik jemang ha KGP Sinat Higher Secondary School Jowai. Kajing temu jong kani ka program, kalong ban ailat iki kena bapuli hakakerdan BSc 6 semester, Physics Honors bakin ai jihikai yeki experiments jong ka physics, kiba kila dep puli syaki kena puli class 12 science, jong ka teka school bat kumju, banyarap yeki banyu mensiam, banang tray shitom, bat ban sengutu kam benya ya ka benta ka bakila yo jihikai. Ya kani ka program, lasdang da kajiyalang balapenya da uba ti Bamon HOD Physics Department KNG College Jowai layoru kajingkran lingkot na uba HWD pasa Vice Principal KGP Sinat Higher Secondary School Jowai nakakong P Mukhim Associate Professor KNG College Jowai bana uba R Nanghulu Assistant Professor KNG College Jowai.
So let us first verify because based on the aim of this particular experiment, so we have to verify the truth table, okay? And we have to verify it one by one, okay? And then we will verify first this about this AND gate. This AND gate, as you can see here, the truth table. First of all, you just look at this this table, okay? We have the number of observation input, as Steve have mentioned that we have always here in AND gate we have always double input, okay? Double input, that is, let us consider A and B, and we have this LED indicator. We have this light here, LED indicator, okay? And we have the output Y, and so we will verify this AND gate first, okay? This AND gate and as you can conclusion, so that you can see, okay? Conclusion. So you see here in this particular experiment here, we have logic input. This
okay, and here get 1.9. Okay, we take it 1.9. Okay, so after that we get 1. Then this one we have to take this L2 also. L2, if we take this LDR forward or backward, it's no problem. It's okay. But for myself, I will turn this way. Put this 17. Then this one need to replace again. Then after that, the one 17 after 32 also we have to multiply. After we multiply, I don't know if I mean minus. After we right here, only it was 10. Only injection. So after that, we take the L2. Replace back this one to 0. Then this is L2. Put once again 0. Then voltage is 0. Current is also 0. And then
there are so many studies in the half wave, the full wave, bridge. But we are doing so many. So now, what is the meaning of infrared? It is only that we denoted by what? This is the relation between the alternating current and direct current. So basically, what we need first? Actually, you all know, you need to know what is rectifier. This we talk only about what is rectifier. Rectifier used to convert this AC into DC. And this how we can convert this AC to DC with the help of the filter. And we can use without filter, capacitor, inductor, and then section. So we can do 3 types of filter, capacitor, inductor.
Before we proceed to find that this figure, we have to make these figures first in a rectangular shape. Rectangular shape. You see now it is in a rectangular shape. Okay. Now, when this figure is obtained in rectangular shape, now we have to find this figure by adjusting the necessary control, whether this one or this one. If you use this one, then this one should be in this place. If you use this one, then this should be in this place, and this one should be in this place. Okay. Now then we find because we have to move it. Okay.